Hello, my name is Linus Dahlberg. Today we're going to talk about the Silencio way and what makes a good sound absorber. I will give you some background information about sound and our hearing, about how a sound absorber works, and also what it really takes to make a great sound absorber. Welcome. The human being is more than 300,000 years old, but we haven't changed since then. Keep in mind that our vocal cords and our hearing are the same today as it was back then. The spoken language, on the other hand, is a rather new invention. It is somewhere in between 50 to 70,000 years old, and it is our ability in order to express ourselves, our feelings, our surroundings, and to pass on knowledge that has put us on top of the food chain. This graph shows our complete hearing range. The human ear can perceive sound from 20 up to 20,000 Hz, but is the most sensitive in between 500 and 4000 Hz, because this is where the speech is. The green area is called the speech banana. The green line represents a product which is filled with polyethylene, a very common filling material used in the industry. The brown dotted line shows a product filled with stone wool, which is used by us. The higher the curve is, the better the product will absorb sound. Diffusion, reduction, and absorption are three ways in order to solve an acoustic problem. Diffusion means that you split a sound wave into several, but the sound will still remain. Reduction is when you block the sound from point A to point B, but the sound will still remain at point A. And absorption is the only real way in order to get rid of sound. You will transform the energy from the sound wave into heat in the product, and the sound will be absorbed. This leads us on to the next question: what makes a good sound absorber? There are a couple of requirements that needs to be fulfilled in order to absorb our speech. Number one is the thickness of the product. It needs to be at least 40 mm thick in order to absorb our speech. Second is the density of the material. If it's too hard, the sound gonna bounce off, and if it's too soft, it's gonna let the sound just travel through. And third, it is the filling material, which needs to be stone wool. Stone wool is the best sound absorbing material because of its capabilities to be pressed into the right density and contains only natural materials. It contains no plastics nor hazardous materials, and our products can be 100% recycled. Stone wool is also non-combustible, which means that it doesn't burn. It will actually prevent the spreading of a fire. To summarize, our hearing is the same, we haven't changed, it's only our surroundings. Absorption is the key element in order to get rid of sound. Thickness, density, and a filling material made out of stone wool. Thank you for listening.